Here we are down at Mercer. As you can see, the floods are doing a good job. 4 meters is the level at the moment. So out here today is trying to get a few carp and hopefully help protect the environment. Yes, that is actually a paddock, and on the other side of the stream is a paddock, but completely full up of water. Undoubtedly closer. How? It bounced off its skull. Here comes another one.
Are you ready again?
Yeah. Fingers slipped. Got to put my gloves on. Bastard. Hopefully he comes in through the middle of the fence. He won't. Oh, he did. Oh no, I'm still stuck in the fence. Fuck! Yep. The fish took it through. Bloody fish. Fucking hell. Okay, let's see if we can get that fish. Come here. So much for not getting wet. He's a good sized boy. For those of you who don't know, I've started a Give a Little page to try and help with my environmental work. because what I'm doing at the moment, just using the bow and arrow, is not enough, and I want to expand and have more impact to get rid of these little things, the koi. Like at the moment, this farmer's paddock is completely flooded, and that one's over there is flooded. What I want to do is, when we get the floods, is actually have grates I can put across their drainage pipes, so they can't escape from when the water level drops, and that would allow us to remove a whole lot, because it'll be like this one great big net trap. But unfortunately it's something I can't do with A, my income, B, general living costs, and C, trying to get the permission past the missus. It's just one of those things that won't float. So what I'm hoping is that people who want to help me do environmental work would like to contribute. It doesn't have to be much. $1 would be good. Just anything you can spare. It sounds like I'm trying to get you to fund my hobby, which is one of the reasons I'm hard doing it. But what I'm doing and my friend is doing, we're just not removing enough from some of the areas we hunt in. Some of the areas we go, they're whitebait breeding grounds, and as you know, with the way koi carp are, they're just bottom feeders. They suck up all the eggs, kill off any of the young. So the idea is to try and reduce the numbers as much as we can in areas, and in other areas try and steer them away to capture points so we can remove them in bulk. But it all costs money, and we can't seem to get any help with anything through normal channels. So yeah, I'll put a link into my video if I ever do the video, and if you want to donate something you can do, or just keep posting the link so get other people to, or people you might know who might be interested in helping out. Sorry to sound like a begging person, but hey, it's all for the environment. If it's going to come over that string or not, I don't think so. Come over the string. Carefully. Finally, you got one when it's been filmed.
Straight through the wire.
And it goes off.
Oh, come on.
I think that was a hit. Yeah. Then has it come off this time? I don't doubt you. Can't believe he got it, but I never doubted you. One, two, three.
Double whammy, you reckon?
I got them.
Mine. Good shot. Double.
Almost the same spots as well.
What are you going to say? Double penetration. That's something inappropriate.
Only because the camera's running.
Yeah, it's a female. Oh, hang on a second. Let me get the female. You going front or back?
Front. One, two, three.
Got it. Oh, and the third one.
Who got the third one?
No.
Did it come off yours or did it come off mine?
No, knocked it off unconscious. Wait. Now.
Thread the needle, that's there, I think. Where's your doorstep? See if these guys are going to be interested to see what's going on. See, that big one's just on the other side of the fence. See this little fat bastard here. Oh, there's another one coming in. Come on, hopefully the hole's there.
No, don't go under the top of my foot.
Hang on. Oh. Don't think he's going anywhere. Look.
Oh, final.
Oh, great, they go right in front of me when I'm got a fish on the line. Hey Richard. Another spinal tap. Come on, Richard. Can't get them all, you know. Not Pokemon.